Alright guys, good afternoon everybody. In today's lecture, we're going to be looking at molecular orbitals. Now this is a very interesting topic that so many students have been finding it difficult to at least break it down or to assimilate it to some extent. Now it will interest you to know that this course is very simple, just like every other course. All you need to do is for you to just apply the right principle. Alright, so without wasting so much time, we'll just look at what molecular orbital is all about. You may want to ask yourself, what is molecular orbital? Molecular orbitals are the orbitals obtained when a molecule is formed as a result of combination of an atom. Now, what we have on the board, when atomic orbitals of an atom are combined, they give rise to molecular orbital. Very simple, when I combine atoms, I have a molecule. Now, in other words, those atoms that was combined to form a molecule, they have their own individual orbitals. So as they are combining to form a molecule, their orbitals are also combining to form molecular orbital. If you really want to know what atomic orbital is all about, take your mind back to electronic configuration. Electronic configuration helps us to really know the types of orbital that are present in an atom. For example, if you want to write electronic configuration for hydrogen, hydrogen is 1s1. With the knowledge of that, the s contained there is an orbital. So you know that hydrogen contains s orbital attached to the first energy level. So when I combine two hydrogen together, they will form hydrogen molecule H2. In other words, each of their orbitals will combine together to form molecular orbital. So that's what this is trying to tell us. Now we say, since atoms makes up a molecule, it is very important we actually expatiate, or we actually state out the type of molecule we are going to be focusing on. Now the type of molecule we are going to be focusing on majorly is going to be the diatomic molecules. And you may want to ask yourself, what is a diatomic molecule? Very simple. Diatomic molecules are those molecules that contain specifically two atoms. Yes, two atoms. Triatomic is three, but we're not looking at triatomic. For the sake of MOT and for the sake of this level, we're going to be looking at specifically diatomic molecules that contains two atoms. Now diatomic can be homonuclear, it can be heteronuclear. Now homonuclear simply means molecule that contains, the diatomic molecule that contains the same two types of atoms. For example, we have hydrogen, H2 hydrogen molecule. This is a homonuclear because two hydrogen are combining, they are of the same atom. Nitrogen, N2 and oxygen, this belongs to homonuclear. Now we move down to heteronuclear. Very simple, it simply means diatomic molecule that contains two different atoms. The likes of CO, NO and CN. It's very simple, it's very obvious. In this case now, this molecule contains carbon and oxygen. They are of different type. So these are the types of molecule we refer to as the heteronuclear. Now this diatomic molecule is not, you don't only look at the molecule, like the neutral molecule. As far as MOT is concerned, ions are also considered, but these ions are definitely going to be ions gotten from the diatomic molecules, either by the removal of electron or by addition of an electron. For example, we have the likes of H2 plus. This is a positive ion because it's positively charged. In other words, it's a cation, right? But in this case now, this ion is a diatomic ion. So this, we can actually talk about it under MOT. The same is applicable to this. All right. So please, I would like us to kindly go through this. Try to acquaint yourself with this because you really need to know this. It's something that you have to just put in your mind.